comes to cooking oil, it's not really about, oh, I use a specific brand. It's as simple as which one is the cheapest in the market. Yeah. Missing someone. Hello guys, good morning, but for you it's going to be afternoon because you're going to watch this in the afternoon. So if you're new here, karibu sana. I go by the name Vivian Odhiambo, aka Fashion Guru Kenya, aka mtoto wa Homa Bay County. Please pardon me, hiyo kelele iko huko nyuma, just pardon me. So this is yet another what is in my something video. So this is what is in my kitchen kind of video. Strange, right? So I'm just going to take you through a few of the kitchen products that I normally use. Of course, Kenyan kitchen products, because I live in Kenya, right? So the first thing is cooking oil. And when it comes to cooking oil, it's not really about, oh, I use a specific brand. It's as simple as which one is the cheapest in the market. Plus, when I bought this, it had an offer. It came with this, the small one. So mama na mtoto, of course I had to jump on that offer and buy this. Sawa. So I'm not really, when it comes to cooking oil, due to the current economy or due to my stinginess, I always go for the cheapest. I mean, it has been doing the work that's supposed to do, cook. Yeah, it has been doing a great job. Yeah, so that is item number one. Item number two, what's in my kitchen, is this chicken masala. I bought it some time back and I love cooking chicken with this. It just gives chicken a different taste. It's zhuzh. Is it to zhuzh up? It elevates the chicken when you cook it. So this is another item that's in my kitchen. And then another item, maize flour. This is what we used to cook ugali with in Kenya. So this is pembe, but I normally use ndovu or pembe. And how I even came to use ndovu or pembe, it's because of my mom. Growing up, we used to use ndovu or pembe. As far as I can remember, that is the brand that we used to use. So automatically, as the daughter, I adapted to this, and this is what I use nowadays. Sawa. So, and then when it comes to sugar, again, due to the current economy, it's what's oh my god, I like saving coins. Let's just say I love saving coins. So what's the cheapest in the market? But most of the time, if I'm not buying these cabras, I'm buying the Naivas supermarket sugar. If I'm not buying cabras, it's the Naivas supermarket sugar. This is just what I use to hold there. When I've already opened the sugar, poured it where it's supposed to go, I just use this to clip it so that it doesn't pour and it stays safe. Sawa. So and then when it comes to wheat flour or all-purpose flour, I use ajab, and sometimes I use ndovu. Again, I'm loyal to what my mama taught me, ndovu. And since ajab came recently, so I use ajab too, and I like it. So I'd love to know what's in your kitchen. Are you loyal to like one brand, or when it comes to your kitchen product, do you normally buy what's on offer in the market? Sawa, because I know me and my friends, we always love saving coins. So what's on offer, we buy. Mama na mtoto wake, that's our motto. If you see a mama na mtoto wake in a supermarket, that's what we are going for. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Let me see you on my next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on that notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Love you. Bye bye. Imagine yesterday they were buying me and they were making funny noises.
Should you tell her?
Tell me what?